Hi, welcome back to class, and this week we are approaching the end of our semester, and we are moving on to chapter 14. This chapter will be split basically in half, so there's not going to be a Dropbox assignment this week. Just going to have a discussion and a quiz, and you're going to just have a chance to kind of take a breath here. I know we had kind of a long semester of a lot of work. You guys are almost through the whole textbook already. And so we wanted to just split up this last section of the book a little bit here. So what we have is we have chapter 13. And in this chapter, we're going to look at population. And so to do that, there's a crash course video that you'll watch that will give you basic information. There's a short article on Malthusian theory, and of course we're going to continue with our discussions. And make sure you're posting the 250 words minimum for your initial post. The discussion is an area I find is really a rich place for growth for students, and it gives you a chance to teach each other and learn from each other and have an opportunity to really demonstrate that you're understanding the concepts in the class. And so it really makes the class a lot easier to do and have you have some opportunity for deep learning. And I'm very happy with what's going on so far in this class. So thank you very much. Give yourselves a pat in the back for making it through this far. I know it's been a long semester. You're going to have Knowledge Review Quiz 14. There's going to be 2 quizzes for this chapter, one this week and one next week. And so this is basically over a little bit over the first half of the chapter. Then I want to make sure you have your chapters 9 through 13 Dropbox assignment done. What that's going to do is it's going to give you the framework for your final paper. And in this class, you're going to find our final is very easy. We don't really have one, so you're not going to have this long drawn-out paper test. You're going to have a short quiz, and this paper is going to serve as your final. I've found there's more than one way to assess if people have learned throughout the semester, and this paper is a great way to do that. What you're going to have is you're going to have your 3 sections of the paper you worked on already. You'll take the information from those, and you'll stitch them together. You should have close to a 5-page paper, and from there you clean it up, and we'll have a good assignment that would have covered the whole course of the semester. So it's a pretty straightforward week. If you have any questions, of course, you can get in touch with me on D2L. I will respond. And really that's about it. It's a short video this week. Again, if you have any questions, reach out to me. And I once again want to congratulate you guys on the hard work. I know it's a lot of information we cover, and I am really happy with how you've done. So thank you so much.